Hey guys, today we're going to work on reflections. A reflection is just a flip. It doesn't change the figure at all. Your new figure will still be congruent or the same as the original one. It's just going to move it around on your coordinate grid. So let's take a look. Reflect figure WXYZ, that square, across the y-axis and list its new coordinates. The most important thing here to pay attention to is where we're flipping this. We're flipping it over the y-axis, which means this line, our up and down line, our y-axis, is the most important thing to pay attention to. What I want to do is I want to take each point of my square and count the distance from that point to the y-axis. Let me show you what I mean. I don't care about this letter. If you take a look at x, what I'm looking at is this vertex, this point, and I'm going to count how many steps away from the y-axis it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps away. So if I want to reflect it over the y-axis, I'm going to put my pen on the y-axis and count 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the right of the y-axis, and I'm going to drop my point off. So this is my new x prime. I'm going to do the same thing for w. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then I want to count 8 steps over to the right from the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to drop off my new w prime. Same thing with the other two. From point y, counting 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to the y-axis. So I want to count 4 past the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my new y prime is going to be 4 steps below x prime. That makes sense because if you look over here at my original figure, y prime is 1, 2, 3, 4 steps below x prime. And like I said, the figure will be congruent. So now, last but not least, I need to count z prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get to the y-axis. So I need to go 8 beyond the y-axis. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to drop it off. This is z prime. And if I connect those, I still get a 4 by 4 square. It just flipped across the y-axis. If you take a look at my letters, this line, this y-axis line, acts as a mirror. X still matches up with x. Y matches up with Y, Z matches up with Z, and so on. That's what I mean when I say it's a mirror image. All of those letters are going to be the same distance from the y-axis, just on the other side. Your turn to practice.